The sextortionist said, "Send more or I'll post it all." In that moment, your entire life flashes before your eyes. Sextortion is real, it's growing, and it's devastating. In 2024, over 13,000 people reported being blackmailed online, with losses topping $30 million. But behind every number is a human life thrown into chaos. This video isn't just about awareness, it's about action. Welcome to the Blackmail Helpline channel, your ultimate guide to staying safe in the digital world. We specialize in sextortion investigations and have helped thousands of victims around the world. Using our proprietary tracking technology, we've maintained a success rate exceeding 90%, stopping cybercriminals from releasing our clients' private images or information. Today, we're showing you how to stop the spiral, build your case, and take your power back. Can sextortion ruin your life? Yes, emotionally, financially, socially, and even physically. Sextortion isn't just a threat. It's a psychological weapon that can impact every aspect of your life. But with the right steps, you can take control of the situation, document the abuse, and fight back. The immediate impact of sextortion. Victims are often thrown into a state of panic, shame, and helplessness. The fear of exposure can force irrational decisions, like paying the perpetrator or deleting evidence. Don't do it. Deleting or blocking may feel right in the moment, but it destroys crucial evidence. And remember, once you pay, they rarely stop. Emotional and psychological fallout. The emotional damage can extend far beyond the screen. You may start isolating yourself, hiding from loved ones, and losing trust in everyone. But you don't have to stay trapped. Knowledge and proper documentation are your strongest weapons. Step-by-step guide, how to document sextortion properly. 1. Do not block or delete. Keep the full communication thread intact. Deleting it will destroy valuable timestamps, usernames, and message IDs. 2. Take high-quality screenshots. Capture the entire screen, including the platform UI, Instagram, WhatsApp, etc., time, sender's profile, and message history. If messages disappear after viewing, like Snapchat or Instagram vanish mode, use screen recording if available. Enable airplane mode on your phone to delay disappearing messages, allowing time to screenshot. 3. Save evidence securely. Upload everything to an encrypted cloud folder or an external USB drive. Keep backup copies. If your device is compromised, your evidence shouldn't be. How to build a chronological timeline. Creating a clear, detailed timeline will help cybersecurity experts and law enforcement build a stronger case. Here's how. Create a document or spreadsheet. Log each incident with date and time. Platform used. Exact quote or demand. Link to the evidence file, screenshot file name, or folder path. Add notes on your responses, changes in tone, and any threats or deadlines they imposed. The clearer the timeline, the easier it is for us to trace the attacker, secure takedowns, and provide credible proof to authorities. What StopNCII recommends. StopNCII.org offers a free, private, and secure way to prevent the spread of intimate images. Here's how it works. Upload a digital fingerprint. Hash of the image, not the image itself. The hash is matched against uploads on partner platforms, Meta, TikTok, Reddit, etc., to prevent them from going public. Your photo never leaves your device. This tool is especially powerful if you suspect your intimate content may be posted. We highly recommend using it early in your response process. Financial and social consequences. Victims often fall into debt trying to satisfy ongoing demands. Others lose their jobs, their relationships, and their sense of safety. And once blackmailers succeed, they often sell or share your profile with other criminals. But there is a way out. Blackmail Helpline, how we help. We're not just a hotline, we're your cybersecurity defense team. We can help you stop the blackmail, identify criminals, preserve exposure, preserve digital evidence legally, trace hidden accounts and IP trails, remove leaked content, prepare your case for law enforcement, Support your recovery confidentially. With 10+ years of experience and a 90% resolution rate, we help victims reclaim their lives, restoring peace, privacy, and confidence. Rebuilding after sextortion. You can recover. It starts with action, not silence. Don't hide. Speak to a professional. Begin documenting. Know that you're not the only one, and that your voice, your courage, and your decision to fight back are stronger than any threat behind a screen. Helpful links and resources. To learn more, check out this link, which you can click in the description below, and feel free to comment with your questions. Or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and drop a comment if you want us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.